If you are dedicated to understanding historical farming techniques and want to dramatically improve soil moisture retention, subscribe to Husbandry Now. Today, I am revealing a 300-year-old soil hydration method that kept my garden soil consistently moist for over 2 weeks without repeated watering. This technique, used by traditional farmers long before modern irrigation systems, relies on layering, organic amendments and natural soil conditioners to retain water efficiently. By rediscovering this method, modern gardeners and small-scale farmers can save time, conserve water and maintain healthier soil while gaining insight into centuries of agricultural wisdom. Ancient farmers knew water was more than a resource. They treated it as an investment. 3 centuries ago, farmers faced seasonal droughts and unpredictable rainfall, yet they consistently produced reliable harvests. They observed that soil structure, organic matter and natural amendments significantly influenced moisture retention. By experimenting with combinations of compost, clay and fibrous plant matter, they developed methods to slow water loss and create soil that could sustain crops between rainfalls. These practices were not arbitrary. They reflected careful observation of natural systems and a deep understanding of how soil, plants and water interact. The method begins by improving soil structure with layered amendments. A key component of this hydration technique is the strategic layering of materials to enhance porosity and water-holding capacity. In practice, I layered decomposed plant matter over the topsoil and incorporated fine clay or loam below it. The fibrous organic matter absorbs water and gradually releases it to surrounding roots, while the clay acts as a reservoir, slowing water movement and minimizing evaporation. This dual-layer system mimics the natural forest floor, which retains moisture efficiently even under harsh conditions. Organic matter feeds the soil and improves retention simultaneously. Adding aged compost or shredded leaves not only contributes nutrients, but also increases the soil's water-holding potential. Microbes in the compost bind water to organic particles and create humus, which has remarkable capacity to retain moisture. When I applied this 300-year-old method in my garden, the soil remained dark, crumbly and evenly moist for 2 weeks after a single watering. Plants exhibited stronger root growth, healthier foliage and reduced stress even during a heat wave, demonstrating the effectiveness of this historically grounded approach. Covering the soil reduces evaporation and maintains hydration. Ancient farmers often used natural mulches, including straw, leaves or even moss, to protect the soil surface. Covering the soil reduces direct exposure to sun and wind, slowing evaporation and keeping moisture in the root zone. In my application, I spread a thick layer of straw over the prepared soil, leaving openings for planting. To maximize results, the hydration method should be applied prior to planting or during soil preparation. Incorporating the amendments well before planting allows microbes to establish and organic matter to begin binding water. For perennial crops, this technique can be repeated annually, further enhancing soil structure and moisture retention over time. I noticed that repeated applications improved soil depth and uniformity, allowing roots to penetrate more easily and access consistent moisture, even in containers or raised beds. Observing changes helps refine application for different soil types. Monitoring soil texture, color and moisture after implementation provides critical feedback. Dark, friable soil that holds shape under gentle pressure indicates effective water retention. In sandy soils, additional organic matter or clay can be added to increase holding capacity, while in heavy clay soils, more fibrous material improves drainage and prevents waterlogging. Why this historical hydration method is still relevant today? Modern irrigation systems and synthetic soil conditioners offer convenience, but often fail to improve long-term soil health. This 300-year-old method demonstrates that natural materials, strategic layering, and an understanding of microbial activity can produce durable moisture retention without constant watering or chemical inputs. It conserves water, improves soil fertility, and reduces labour while creating resilient soil that supports healthy plants. The broader lesson from historical soil management. Traditional farmers understood that maintaining soil moisture required more than watering. It required building living soil capable of holding water, supporting microbial life, and sustaining plants through dry periods. By applying these time-tested methods, we honour centuries of agricultural observation and gain practical tools to improve modern gardening practices sustainably. If this guide inspired you to rethink how you manage soil hydration and want to explore historically proven techniques, subscribe to Husbandry and share this video with fellow gardeners and farmers. This 300-year-old soil hydration method proves that by working with natural systems and historical knowledge, it is possible to maintain consistently moist, fertile soil while reducing effort, conserving water and improving plant health.